Hello everyone, today we are going to introduce a Gaussian integral. And my name is Xie Yutai. And my partner is Wang Yuxiang. Okay. The first one we can look the example is integral 0 to infinity epsilon negative x squared dx. This is Gaussian integral. Okay, so we can draw this picture and this one. This is polar coordinate. So we can let I equal to integral 0 to infinity this one. And I square, so we can double it. So we can find this one. X squared plus y squared is here. And we can obtain a double integral. And we change the x and y to r squared because x equal to r cosine theta, y equals r sine theta. So and we can change this one and this one. So the integral 0 to half pi d theta equals pi and half. And this one we can let u equals r squared, and we can obtain integral 0 to infinity epsilon negative r squared dr squared. So we can find I squared equals to this one, and we can obtain this. So and we square root of it, we can find I equals to integral 0 to infinity epsilon negative x squared dx equals square root of pi and half. And because it is a even function, so we can find there is negative infinity and there is infinity. So it's 0 to infinity 2 times. So we can obtain this integral negative infinity to infinity epsilon negative x squared dx equals to square root of pi. Okay, we change. We are going to say Gaussian distribution.
Okay, my name is Wang Yuxiang, and let's talk about Gaussian distribution. And Gaussian distribution can write a function like p of x equal to 1 divided by root of 2 pi sigma square exponential minus x squared divided by 2 sigma square, and it will draw like the even function like this. And mean of the Gaussian distribution, we can write like this one, and it's equal to integral negative infinity to infinity x p of x dx equals to 1 divided by root of 2 pi sigma square, and integral negative infinity to infinity x multiple exponential minus x squared divided by 2 sigma square. And x is a odd function, and exponential minus x squared divided by 2 sigma square is a odd function. like it is an even function like this. So the whole thing is odd function. So if you integral from negative infinity to infinity is 0, and the variance sigma x squared equal to x minus mean of Gaussian distribution square, and it's equal to like this one. So it can write like integral negative infinity to infinity x squared multiple p of x dx, and it will equal to this one. And we can integral this one and write beta equal to 2 sigma square. Beta equal to 1 divided by 2 sigma square, and write like this one. And we can know integral from negative infinity to infinity minus x squared multiple exponential minus beta x squared dx equal to half pi divided by beta minus root and pi divided by beta square. So we can know integral from negative infinity to infinity x squared exponential minus beta x squared dx equals to 1 divided by 2 and root of pi divided by beta 3 times. And we substitute beta to 1 divided by 2 sigma square. So we can get sigma x squared equal to 1 divided by 2 pi sigma square, and half of root of pi divided by 1 divided by 2 sigma square 3 times equal to sigma square. And sigma is standard deviation. Okay, here is our presentation.